The year was 2045, and the future had found a new home. Across Africa, breathtaking innovations transformed civilization, proving that tomorrow belonged to those bold enough to imagine it. Among the visionaries stood one man unlike any other. Ascendant, brilliant, fearless, and driven by an obsession to conquer the impossible. After years of relentless research, before he could fight back, the vortex consumed him. Ripped from everything he had ever known, Ascendant was cast into the unknown, toward a past that would forever change the future. Before he could escape, the portal consumed him, hurling Ascendant through a violent storm where time itself lost all meaning. When the chaos ended, he awoke beneath the towering trees of ancient Igboland. His Chrono Nexus flashed one terrifying message: year 1120 AD, signal lost. No satellites, no civilization. No way home, alone in an untamed wilderness. Every step drew him deeper into danger. Then, from the shadows above, a massive leopard prepared to strike. In a heartbeat, death came crashing down. Instinct took over. A brilliant blue energy shield erupted, stopping the beast in midair. Without hesitation, Ascendant deployed his electromagnetic spear launcher. 3 blazing energy spears tore through the forest with deadly precision. The predator collapsed, and silence swept across the jungle. He had survived his first battle. But in this ancient world, survival had only just begun.